This video is sponsored by unolist.com.
Alright, this is an old Craftsman lawn mower, and today we're going to show you how to change a wheel on this. This tire is like just 1 year old and it keeps losing air for some reason. So instead of trying to do something with the same tire, I'm just going to replace it with one of my old tires. That should work. So I'm going to replace the whole wheel, not just the tire, whole wheel. So let's get started. Alright, this tire is so low to the ground, it's kind of hard to change the tire without lifting it. So I'm just going to use a car jack. This is from my Camry. I'm just going to use this to lift it up so that I can get the old wheel out and put the new one in. Let's lift it up. Alright, you're going to need something like a wide grip so that it's adjustable. So the first thing we got to do is we got to take this plastic cover that's not easy to get out without something like this. So we got to get that out first. Alright, the plastic thing is out. Then you're going to need a flathead screwdriver. There's a special type of clamp that it has on here on the wheel so that it holds it in place. So you got to get that thing out. All you need is you just wedge it in between the gap here and then push it up. Yep. So this is the special clamp that they have on there that holds the washers and the wheel in place. And these are the two washers that it has on there. Alright, the wheel's out. Hold on. Alright, we got the tire out, so we're going to put the new tire on. Or actually, this is an old tire, we're going to put a different tire on. And before we put that on there, let's put some grease so that it works better. So I got these tubes that I use. I bought these at Advanced Auto Part, so I'm going to be using these. When you're putting the tire in, make sure the valve for filling the air is outside. Okay, this needs to be outside. It should be facing you, and so just make sure this is facing you. All right, the new wheel's in. You just got to put stuff on there. Okay, so this tire doesn't need this bead, so the extra the washer, thick washer, we don't need that. You can directly put this lock nut on there, and a washer maybe. Okay, one washer is enough. So we're just gonna put the lock nut on. Again, the vice grip is very handy when putting this the special clamp on there. I don't know what exactly it's called. I call it a clamp. But yep, all right, it's in. It's in. So wheels freely rotating, and all we need to do is at this point just put the cap on, the plastic cap. It's kind of hard to put it in, but with some grease, it should go in easily. Again, this is a dirty job. If you wear gloves, it's easier on your hands, but I'm not wearing any. Alright, it was a little bit of took a while to put that back on, the cover, the plastic cover. It's kind of rigid, so You gotta put a little bit of grease and push it in to get that on there. But it's finally on there, so it's covered up. So let's just get the jack out, and then we're good to go. All right, it's almost out. So, all right, jack's out, and it looks good. So we just replaced the old wheel with a new wheel. New wheel is working. We did a great job.